What feels like hardship today will turn into achievement tomorrow. Nobody is coming to save you. Become your own savior. Success belongs to those who aren't afraid to start from the bottom. Progress doesn't need speed, it needs consistency. Set high standards for yourself and strive to meet them. Stop spending your energy on what you can't control. Invest it in the one thing you can yourself. If today is the period of struggle, tomorrow will be the period of success. You are stronger than you believe. Your survival is the proof. What you give from the heart always finds its way back to you. When the mind becomes quiet, life becomes clear. In a world full of noise, peace becomes the loudest happiness. Strong people don't put others down, they lift them up. Life is considered truly successful when you are recognized without any introduction. Respect always belongs to time and circumstances, but people assume it's due to their own strength. Some relationships are like rented houses. No matter how much you decorate them, they never truly becomes yours. Life slips away between two thoughts, earning and saving. There are two kinds of pain, one that breaks you and one that changes you. Your true value sometimes becomes clear only in your absence. Speaking less brings wisdom, eating light nurtures health, and limiting your company keeps life peaceful and secure. Stay silent, stay away from fools. Foolishness is contagious, so be careful. Feed your mind like you feed your body. Avoid the junk of fear and negativity, and nourish it with peace, kindness, and wisdom. For what you feed your mind is what you become. Stand by your friend in their worst times, not in their worst actions. The deepest pain we feel is when we can't share pain with anyone. Hope causes a lot of pain, yet somehow we still keep expecting things from people. If someone call you bad, you neither become bad nor good. Every person shows their own worth through their words, not by pointing out the flaws of others. When you make someone's life hard, the universe finds a way to teach you the same lesson. That's karma. If you want health and well being, free your heart from worry, hate, and envy. When proven wrong, the wise man will correct himself, and the ignorant will keep arguing. The moment you cross your limits, you take the first step toward your own downfall. If everyone is happy with you, it means you have made many compromises. And if you are happy with everyone, it means you have learned to overlook many flaws in others. Don't carry today's burden into your tomorrow. Breathe, stay hopeful, and trust that brighter moments are on the way. The more you know the people, the less you want to associate with them. Remember, what you tolerate teaches people how to treat you. Distance often explains what words never could. Attachment hurts most when respect quietly leaves first. The energy you protect becomes the life you live. Peace arrives when validation is no longer needed. Growth begins when you stop explaining yourself to those committed to misunderstanding you. You don't control how others feel, you control how you live. When something is beyond your control, release it and reclaim your peace.